ka Sorkar Jylla kala pyntip ba ka jingtei ya ka maternity and child hospital Hamandarganj kan sdang shen tangdep penbyang iki jaka usumbu mitrang ba ka Jylla ba pertunan song body kimi ya ka tana ka koi ka khia ka Sorkar Jylla uloong ba ka jaka na ka benta ka te ka jingtmu layo priang sobha kumasi phau ni khat are kari ula pyntip ba ka mangtingka na ka benta ba te ya ka te ka hospital kulong khat sau kulur tingka Haswa kani ka nong thau ain ka Congress na Mahendraganj dikanji di Sira kalong baka community health center kabadan menta khaput kamla ban penbyang ki jinun kam khamtam e ki khulung bat kilong kumi armet hakate ka thai kani ka nong thau ain ka kdoru baka jingthu bante ka maternity and child hospital ya ka bala mangtingka ki saus nam sans nam menchua kala kala slam bat bampor
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to 127. Sir, the work has not yet started.
Mr. Speaker, sir, this maternity and child hospital was demanded by keeping in view that Mahendraganj lies in the extreme international border and the population concentration in Mahendraganj is also very high. And the CHC, which is there in Mahendraganj, cannot cater to the needs and demands of the huge number of child and pregnant mothers. Mahendraganj CHC, which is right now the CHC which is there in Mahendraganj cannot cater to the needs needs and demands of the huge number of child and pregnant mothers right now. So if this hospital could be constructed as soon as possible, then this special care and more facilities could be given to the pregnant and children, so pregnant mothers and children. So my question is, this has been demanded 4 or 5 years back and it has been sanctioned. So may I know from the Honorable Minister why this project is still delayed? May I know the reason why it is being delayed, sir?
Sir, in fact, one of the major reasons leading to the undue delay in construction of MCH was the land issue. So, but I'm happy to inform the honorable member and in this house that recently the land issue has been resolved and one landowner has already donated the land, and the name of the place is Chapahati Mahendraganj, and we also got the land donated about 10 to 12 acres in the area which is feasible for construction of this MCH hospital. So instruction has been given now to the concerned officers that the work should start soon.
Speaker, sir, may I know how much amount has been sanctioned for the hospital?
The sanction amount was 14 crores.
I have brought this notice, Speaker, sir. I have brought it to the notice of the government so that I will get the assurance from the Honorable Minister so that the project will be started as soon as possible. So may I know, Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister when this construction will be started?
Very soon.
May I know the month or date when it will be started, sir?
Sir, I've already replied in the supplementary. I've already replied. I've said I've already directed the engineering wing of health department to go to the spot because we have just taken possession of the land, and then line will be given and the work will start immediately, sir.
May I know from the Honorable Minister who is the donor of the land for the construction of MCH?
The donor of the land is Lucy Chandra Marak, daughter of Nokma, Biplop A. Sangma, Senjrang M. Marak, and Lipton Marak.